Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best welding hammers that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best welding hammers. A welding chipping hammer is a must for use when arc welding. The hammer's point makes it easy to chip away the slag left after stopping the weld. There are a wide range of chipping hammers on the market and some that are not so good. We tried to eliminate the confusion by providing some reviews listed below of the better welding chipping hammers that are available. Number 5. 2 pieces wire scratch brush slag removal tool welding hammer. Scratch wire brush is strong and durable with solidly embedded stainless steel. Welding chipping hammer painted hardness, can prevent rust, corrosion. Main features: shock absorbing handle, widely application, quality material. Number 4. Forney 70600 chipping hammer. Found it offers more than 5,000 products for the hardware, automotive, farm and ranch. If you've got metalworking questions, we're committed to your success regardless of location, size or needs. Main features: 10.5-inch length, shock-proof handle, easy to use. Number 3. Welding chipping hammer with coil spring handle. The welding hammer, safety glasses are always used when using a hammer on steel. This type of welding hammer is a durable tool for long strokes. It can also be used as a life hammer. Main features: spring welding design, wire brush, easy to use. Number 2. Lincoln Electric Industrial Chipping Hammer. Constructed of drop forged steel to increase strength. The hammer has both a flat and cone style head to increase versatility and allow for usage in tight spaces. Main features: shock absorbing handle, multi-head design, high strength steel. Number 1. Vast Tools Welding Chipping Hammer with Coil. Shock-proof handle with loop or belt. Tempered chisel point on the other. The head is welded all round at the joint to handle shaft for prevent it coming loose. Main features: high carbon steel chipping hammer. Spring handle designed. Steel wire brush. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.